Hello guys, I'm Alukosha Enoch and welcome to my math tutorial section. And in today's class, we shall be solving the 2020 revised syllabus. The practice question, Cambridge IGCSE 0580. Okay guys, let's get started with the first question. Okay. Okay, here is the first question. The graph of y equals to 3x squared plus 7x minus 4 and y plus 2x equals to 10 intersect at the points A and B. And find the coordinate of A and B. You must show all your workings and give your answers correct to two decimal places. Okay, guys, I need to manage my ball. Let me just go ahead and demarcate this place, guys. Okay, guys, the first thing you guys need to know here is we want to find the coordinates at this point of intersection where the two line intersect. Okay, so this equation for the first line A and this equation for the second line, so at the point of intersection the equation should be equal. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and rewrite this. Okay, make y subject of formula here. So here I have y equals to 10, okay, minus 2x, and also we already have y equals to this 3x squared plus 7x minus 4. So this the equation of the two lines should be equal, and that's where we have the point of intersection for A and B. Okay, so meaning I should equate 3x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals to 10 minus 2x. Okay, meaning this y equals to this y here. Okay guys, let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to write 3x squared, that is the equation of the first line. Okay, 7 plus 7x minus 4, okay, equals to 10 minus 2x. Then now we go ahead and collect like terms. So like terms, so I have 3x squared. Okay guys, don't forget this one here is plus 10, so when you move here that become minus. Okay, so also this is minus, when you move here that become plus. So that is 7 plus 2, so that is plus 9x. Okay, then minus 4 minus 10, that is minus 14, equals 0. This is the resulting equation from the two. Okay, now I'm going to complete this very question using completing the square method so that I can find the root of the equation for this. Okay, so to use completing the square, the first thing I'm going to do is to factor out, or better still, go ahead and separate the constant and the variables. Okay, so that's 3x squared plus 9x equals 14. Then I'm using completing the square method. I don't need to write it. Okay, you can listen to what I'm saying. Sorry about that, guys. So I have 3, so into, okay, because 3 is a factor here, highest common factor is 3, so I factor out 3, okay, plus 3x, okay, then equals 14. Okay, so let me continue on this page. I don't know if I should demarcate again. Let me just go ahead and demarcate so that I'll be able to manage my board effectively. Okay, so yeah, I have x squared plus 3x, okay, equals to, and don't mind me, this is meant to be 14. I don't know, I just put something. This is 14. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. Equals to 14. Okay, so let's go ahead then. Okay, so this is 14 divided by 3, right? Okay, using completing the square, the first thing is that I have coefficient of x, so that is 3 over 2. So you have x plus 3 over 2 here, x plus 3 over 2, then you can square it here. Okay, so that equals to 14 over 3 plus 3 over 2, then square this. Okay guys, you guys are good with this. I've featured quite good numbers of video on that, okay, using completing the square method. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just go ahead and use my calculator to complete the function I have on the left hand side. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use my calculator to complete this. So 14 over 3, let me just go ahead and do that. 14 over 3 plus, open the bracket, and that is 3 over 2 square, 3 over 2 all square, so that equals to, so that gives me 83 over 12. So the right hand side is 83 over 12. Just go ahead and use your calculator to do the same, guys. 3 over 12. Now I want to solve for x, guys. Don't forget, I need to solve for x. So I'll just take square root of both sides, both the left hand side and the right hand side. Then the left hand side will be 3 over 2. Okay, and that will be square root of this one here. Okay, so that is 83 over 12, right? So let me just go ahead and use my calculator to complete that. So square root of answer equals to, that is 249 over 6. Okay, so then I have x plus 3 out of 2 equals to, now that is plus or minus square root of 249 over 6. Okay, such that x will give you plus root 249 over 6. Okay, let me just write this form, then I can go ahead and in order to manage my board, guys. Okay, so 249 over 6, this is plus here, so it's going to turn minus here, minus 3 over 2. So the two possible value of x as in root of equation, value of x that satisfy the equation are, so let me just go ahead and do that, minus 249, right, over 6 minus 3 over 2. So yeah, so let me just go ahead for this one first, plus root 249 over 6, then minus 3 over 2. Let's go with that first. 3 over 2, so let's go with that first. So SD, that is 1.129, 1.129, so that is 1.13. So let's just 1.13 to 2 dp, 1.13. Okay, or then let me go ahead with my calculator, minus root 249 over 6 minus 3 over 2, that equals to minus 4.13 to 2 dp. Okay, minus 4.13 to 2 dp. Okay, now to complete this exercise down, so let's just go ahead and when x equals to 1.13, so what is corresponding value of y? From this equation here, let's just take this linear equation from this equation here. So then I'm going to have 10 minus 2 into 1.13 close brackets equals to, that is 7.74. So that is 7.74. Sorry about that. 7.74. Sorry about that. 7.74. And the second coordinate, let's take that one for b. When x equals to minus 4.13. Okay, so let's just go ahead and substitute it the same. So 10 minus, let me just change this one, I have it in my calculator already, just change this one to minus 4.13 close brackets, sorry about that, close brackets. So that is 18.26. 18.26. Okay guys, so the coordinate of a and b are this, so this is a and this is b accordingly. So guys, that's the end of the first question. Hope that is clear. Okay guys, let's go to the next question, guys. Let's go to the next question. Okay guys, here is the next question, and it reads, sketch the graph of y equals to x squared plus 2x On your sketch, write the value where the graph crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay guys, let me just write some, let me quickly call your attention to something first. These two, let me just use rectangular box to make a note. Now where it crosses the x and the y-axis, that's the boundary point. Okay, that is x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, for example, now let's start with x-intercept. So x-intercept, intercept, sorry about my handwriting, I'm sorry about that guys. So I'm going to have x-intercept in this box and I'm going to write my y-intercept here. Okay, okay, sorry about that. Okay, intercept. Okay guys, let me quickly go ahead and do that. Now for x-intercept, we are going to have coordinates x comma 0 because it's a boundary point, so that is a point on x-axis. So throughout this line, any point on this line, y is 0, so that's why you have x comma 0. Then for y-intercept, you are going to have y value, but x will be 0. So and that's any point along this line on y-axis. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, so now before I'll come back here, then let's just go ahead for x-intercept first. Okay, for x-intercept, that is when y equals to 0. Let's go ahead with that first. So when y equals to 0, we are going to have x-intercept. Okay, so meaning that I should equate this to 0. X squared plus 2x equals to 0. So we have x squared. Let me just go ahead and demarcate, okay, so that I'll be able to manage my board. Let me just do something like this. Okay, so I have x squared plus 2x, okay, equals to 0. So we want to find the root of equation, that is two possible 2 points where this graphic cuts the x-axis. So you factor x out, x into x plus 2. Hope that's clear guys, equals to 0. So from here we can see that x equals to what? 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0, that is x equals to minus 2. So you just go ahead and go to your graph. Now this is x equals to 0 here, and okay, let me just, the first point I have here, when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Okay, because this is x-intercept, y is 0. Then the second one, the coordinate is such that when x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 0. So this is 0 comma 0 here, this point here 0 comma 0. So let me, since this is negative minus 2, so let's just take something around this place. So let's take this place to be minus 2, so I can have my point here. So these are the two coordinates now. So now I need, the next thing is that since I need to sketch this graph, then I need and this is a positive graph, so it's going to have coordinate of the turning point will be minimum point. So minimum point, something like you like that. So in order to get my minimum point, that is the coordinate of the turning point, I'm going to use I'm going to re-express this in, you can write this in standard form, and to write this in standard form, to re-express this in standard form, then that you're going to use completing the square method. So let's go ahead and use completing the square method in order to get our vertex. If you don't mind, I think I'm going to do it here. Okay, so let's write that in vertex form. So why vertex form? We want to we need the coordinate of the turning point, which is minimum point. Okay, so let's go ahead and determine the minimum point and the minimum value. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to use this method, completing the square. So you have x squared plus 2x. Okay, just equate this to 0. Okay, then I have x, then half of coefficient of x is 1, so x plus 1, so square, equals to, the right answer 0 plus, then the half of coefficient of x squared is 1 square. So 1 square is 1, but let me just write it as 1 square. So then I have x plus 1 square, bring this one here, so that's minus 1, Well, 0 plus 1 square is 1, so bring it back. So equals to 0. So this is in standard form. You want to express quadratic equation in Vertex form or standard form. This is it. So then you go ahead and compare with the general standard form, which is a into x minus h plus k. So where our vertex is what? H comma k. H comma k. So from here now, what is the vertex? That is the coordinate of the turning point. So and this is compare this, so h is minus 1, and if you compare this, k is minus 1. So the minimum point is minus 1, the minimum value is minus 1. So this is 0. Let's just take this place to be minus 1, and let's just label this one as minus 2 if you don't mind. So then definitely this place also minus 1 on x-axis. So I have minus 1 against minus 1, this is it here. Minus 1 against minus 1, this is it here. Okay, minus 1 against minus 1. That would be, so that is my vertex. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Sorry about that. Okay, that's my vertex. So this is where the graph originates from. So then you now from here, then it goes up like that. Whoa. Okay, so it goes up. Then from here also, it's going to pass through this, cut the x-axis here too. Let me just take it like this. Okay, I don't have a curve out and I don't even have time for that. I'm sorry about that. So this curve, just go ahead and use your I don't know, just go ahead and draw the curve. Yeah, so that's it. That's the solution, guys. So so that's it. Cross it. So this is the graph. Sketch the graph. Yeah, that's the graph, guys. So pass through this. I don't know if my graph is cool. Is that go through 0? Yeah, it's cool, right? Good. Just take it like that, guys. Okay, pretty cool, guys. So that's the end of this question, guys. Let's go to the next question, guys. Okay, guys, here is the next question, question 3, and it reads: the graph shows a sketch of the graph of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Find the value of a, b, and c. Okay, guys, this is not drawn to scale. Okay, not to scale. Okay, yeah, no problem about that. Okay, so guys, let me go ahead and demarcate in order to complete this. Okay, guys, and before c, you need to note here is look at this the root of the equations are what? Minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, so since we have this root of the equation now, then you can go ahead and find this equation, and let's compare with this. So I can have something like since x equals to let me just write x equals to minus 5, by implication you are going to come up with expressions like x and plus 5 from this one. Can I just go ahead and demarcate again? Nope. I can manage my board. Okay, then also from x equals to minus 2. Okay, then you can come up, you can get this expression x plus 2. Okay, so then I'll just go ahead and do x plus 5. Okay, into x plus 2. Hope you understand what I did. When you bring this one, that's x plus 2, and bring this one, that's x plus 5. Okay, so x plus 2, okay, equals 0. So go ahead and expand this. If you expand this, we have x squared plus that'll be 7x. Guys, hope you know how to expand. Don't tell me what is Aluko doing again. What was it? Guys, you know how to expand this IGCSE class. Okay, so I'm not going to waste my time during X times. Okay, so let's just go ahead with this. Okay, so this is what I have here. Now, if you look at what we have here, we have the y-intercept here, and that is 30. So meaning that this c is meant to be 30. This c value here is meant to be 30. This one here, this c is meant to be plus 30. Plus 30. Okay, but here I have plus 10. So what can you do to this? Then you just go ahead and multiply with 3. So 3 into x squared plus 7x, okay, plus 10. So you can, hope you understand what I did here. Just go ahead and deduce from this. You can just this both. Okay, then what do we have here now? You can go ahead and expand. This is 3x squared. Use 3 to open up the bracket. Plus 21 x, okay, plus 30. Then go ahead and compare with ax squared plus bx plus c. So what is a value is what? 3, and the value of b is what? 21, and the value of c is what? 30. Okay guys, pretty cool. That's the end of this question. Let's go to the next question, guys. Next question. Okay guys, here is the next question, and it reads: solve for 10x plus 3 equals to minus 1 for the range of value 0 less or equals to x and less or equals to 360. So this is the domain, okay, for this function. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to find the value of x now. So just go ahead and make x subject of formula. So to make x subject of formula, you have 4 tan x. Okay, just move this one here. That is minus 1 minus 3. That is minus 4. Then I will divide both sides by 4. Okay, so there I have what? Tan x equals minus 1. Then you find the angle, then you go ahead and find the arctan. So x equals to arctan of what? Of minus 1. So let me go ahead and use my calculator to do that. So shift tan minus 1 close bracket, that is minus 4,5. Now this is minus 4,5, okay, and your angle cannot be negative, meaning since this is tan, meaning that this angle does not fall on the third quadrant. So let me quickly show you this now. Guys, don't forget to master this acronym. It's pretty cool for you guys. Okay, so what is the acronym? I'm going to use laser, guys. Let's use laser. All, this is all angle, okay, all students. Let me just give you the acronym. All, okay, that is a, that is sine, cos and tan positive for acute angle with 0 to 90 or something like that. All students, students. Oh my god, why are you talking about students? It's all cool. All students, okay, that is s, that is sine, t, take. Oh my god, what are you taking? Cambridge exams. Oh god, so all students take Cambridge, guys. So this is why Cambridge, yeah, that is way forward. So all students take Cambridge, guys. So see, so some of you are like cast acts, okay, but I think I love this. Okay, I just saw something like this. So all students take Cambridge. Okay, so this is for 90-degree all the angles are positive. So this one only sine is positive, and here you're going to have 180. Don't let me use laser again, I'm sorry about that. So that can't see what I'm writing. So you have 180, I don't know, over 180. Okay, 180 minus theta. Okay, so when you have an acute angle, to get the second angle, that will be 180 minus theta. Okay, so this will be 180 plus theta. Okay, so because this is 270, only tan is positive here, and this is only cos positive, and 360 minus theta. Okay, so now here I have minus 45, meaning that and this is tan, so meaning that the angle lies on this, either on this second quadrant or the third quadrant. Yeah, okay, so now what do I have here now? So what are the two possible value here now? So meaning I'm going to have this is tan, so second quadrant, that is 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 45, 180, right, minus 45, that is what? 135. 135, are you sure? Yes guy, 135. So this is 135. So that's the first group. And also this is fourth quadrant, this is first quadrant. Guys, I need to be writing all this. I might wasting my time. Okay, I'm not wasting time. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Okay, but I believe you guys. yeah, go with this. This is fourth quadrant. So what do we have on the fourth quadrant is 360 minus theta. So that is 360 minus 45, and that is 315. 315. So these are the two possible values of x that satisfy the equation for this domain. Okay, guys, this is the end of this question, guys. Let's go. No, guys, this is the end of this section. No more question, guys. Okay, guys, just hang on there. I need to show you something. Don't go away, guys. Don't go. Just stay there. Okay, guys, here is my YouTube channel. Immediately after this section, I'm going to upload the 2020 revised syllabus practice question Cambridge IGCSE 0580. So the solution to that, to all the questions will be uploaded on my YouTube channel, and also you're going to you can also access it via my test shop here. So here is my YouTube channel, guys. There are quite good numbers of math, additional mathematics, ICT, robotic, and coding video that will help you guys enhance your learning. You can see something like database reports, website authoring, how to develop e-learning auto-billing management system using Python programming. Okay, you can see some maths solution question, quadratic inequality, absolute graph, and the factors and polynomials, and differentiation, integration, circle, and measure. And you can also develop your own game package using M block or scratch programming. You can see something like Legend of the Fire Lord, and you can develop a quiz using Python programming and create artificial intelligence using Python programming. And most of the maths additional mathematics and ICT videos, they're available on my YouTube channel, actually exam style question, and specifically IGCSE exam style question. So guys, if you find any of my video helpful and useful, go ahead and click like, and you can also comment in order to let me know how I can improve on my video. Okay, and guys, do well to subscribe to my channel, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also here is my test shop, guys. You can help review any of the resource. If there's anything I can do to improve on my e-learning. Okay, so guys, there are quite good numbers of e-learning and board works and all videos also that are available on my YouTube channel. Also, you can also gain access to all via my test shop. Okay, guys, if you find any of my e-learning resources useful, go ahead and help review, and also click like. Okay, and guys, love you guys. Do have a great day ahead. Happy day ahead, and let me say bye, guys. Okay, let's end with this note, guys. Let's end with this note.
Break the streets up.